going to arrive at their destination sooner if they stay within inches of the car in front of them. Following too closely, or tailgating, is one of the leading causes of traffic crashes. To avoid tailgating, follow the 3-second rule. It takes 1.5 seconds to notice a risk, and another 1.5 seconds to hit the brakes and slow down to avoid it. There are your 3 seconds. Allow at least 3 seconds for speeds between 35 and 55 miles per hour in ideal driving conditions. If you pass the same object in less than 3 seconds, you are driving too close to the car in front of you. Allow at least 3 seconds for speeds between 35 and 55 miles per hour in ideal driving conditions. Allow at least 4 seconds for speeds between 55 and 75 miles per hour or during rain and on wet pavement. And allow at least 7 to 8 seconds for icy or snow-covered roads. If you drive too closely, you run the risk of rear-ending the car in front of you if they slow down. When driving behind a truck, allow even more space. If you follow too closely, the driver may not see you behind him. Also, your visibility may be completely blocked, so you may be unable to see cars ahead of you on the right or left. To help avoid tailgaters, keep to the right lane except to pass. When someone is tailgating you, remain calm and don't speed up. Pay attention to your driving and maintain your speed. If traveling on a multi-lane highway, try to switch lanes safely to let the tailgater pass you. If driving on a road with only one lane in each direction, look for a safe opportunity to pull over to the shoulder if there is one. Make sure you use your turn signal so others know your intentions, and always look before switching lanes. Don't let a tailgater's impatience or horn honking cause you to be an unsafe driver. Remember the 3-second rule for speeds up to 55 miles per hour. Remember the 4-second rule for speeds between 55 and 75 miles per hour. Allow 7 to 8 seconds in bad weather. Allow more space if driving behind a truck. And remember to remain calm when being tailgated.